Hello everybody, welcome back to my compilation of the top 5 most annoying sounds. Let's get right into the video. Runner up at number 5, we have this guy screaming. Wow, that's pretty annoying. Let's get into our number 4 most annoying sound. The number 4 most annoying sound is this guy drinking. Wow, that's super annoying! For our third most annoying sound, we have this guy snoring! Wow, that's super annoying! For our number 2 most annoying sound, we have this guy breathing! Wow, that's super annoying. For our absolute most annoying sound, we have this guy laughing. Wow, that's super annoying. That's the number 1 most annoying sound. Thank you for tuning in to my compilation channel. If you want to see more top 5 videos like this, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below that you want more compilation videos like this, and then I will make more compilation videos like this.
Set the phases to run. What's got you distraught? It's negative attention at best. But call it nothing. Maybe something, a little bit, maybe something. It's all about ascension, I guess. Don't